In this video, let's talk about how to use the DBS PayNow feature step by step. Now, if you're trying to receive money, first of all, we're using the PayNow feature inside of the Digibank platform. You need to first of all register for the PayNow option. So what you need to do first of all is head over to your profile section and make sure that you link your ID. You need to choose either your mobile number or your NRIC number in order to link it, and then once that is done, only then you'll be able to receive money through the PayNow section. In terms of sending money using this option or this feature, you simply need to head over to the PayNow within the application, enter in the recipient's mobile number or the NRIC number depending upon what you have for the information, and then select the recipient's information either from your phone book as well if you already have their number saved on your phone. So depending upon what you have, you can select that option and then verify the nickname as well so that the correct person receives the payment. So this is the exact way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.